So hey guys, so today I decided we're doing a giveaway on MSP. So since I've got so much accounts, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy this right now. Since I've got so much account, I'm gonna be giving some of them away. So account one, backup me 234. So I have 160 diamonds, 9,250 star coins. So all you have to do for this is subscribe to my YouTube and message me, and then you're in the account. So you have to tell me your YouTube user, so I would know if you subscribe to me, or so I can subscribe to you back. So this is account one, and that I'm giving away. Then account two. This is account two, although the VIP will end very soon. So she has 20,000 star coins. She has some Slayer diamonds, 48 diamonds. So this account, oh gosh, she's ugly as fuck. Excuse me, like it's just my sister's been on this account and she's clearly not done a good job. Um, sorry, so this is account two. And this, I'm also gonna be giving away this account. So, oh yeah, I know the problem. So yeah, all you have to do, just like the other one, is message me your YouTube when you're done. So I'll be sure you subscribe, because a couple of people are gonna do that. Tell me they've stopped and they haven't. So I just want to be careful. These are ugly as fuck. So over to account, and this is the last account. This is account three. Although I do have another account that I may or may not be giving out. Yeah, this account. So this is gonna probably be account four. I'm gonna log into the account so you guys can see it as proof that I have the account, because some of you guys may not believe me. So let me add another account to the giveaway. So so this is the account for. So I know some of you may be wondering why I'm giving away this account, but It's just that I've been on MSP for 4 years now, and I've kind of outgrown all this. So I think I'm gonna quit MSP for a while. And if I ever want to come back, I still have other accounts like Little Doll, there are Sammy's. I still have different accounts I can always come back on. So I figure why not give it to, because I'm like 13 now, and I joined this when I was like 9 or something. So I'm not really interested in it anymore. So you know what, do I'm gonna ask you to message me on this account, your YouTube, and when you subscribe. So thank you guys. And you know the best thing about everything? I'm leaving all the stuffs in their account. So for an account like mm, this account is just 1 week away from being jury. The VIP ends in July. And if this account gets 1 week more VIP, it'll become a jury account. So yeah, I got 2 months, 3 weeks VIP on this account. And this account has lots of stuff. So yeah, and it's got D packs, drips, galas. So that's all I want to say in this video. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna be giving away this account when I get more subscribers. I don't really know specific numbers, but it's gonna be soon. Thank you guys.